Genially is a website that allows students to share their learning in a variety of different ways. In order for students to use Genially, they can simply log in with their Google account. So they would choose the Login with Google option here. Once logged in, they can click on Create Genially, and you'll see there are lots of different options. You'll notice that I am on the free plan, so there are certain things that are on the premium version, but I also have a lot of content that's free as well. So you can look at presentations. The dossier is one that I really enjoy. They can create infographics, timelines, maps. What I love is that everything's right here in one place. Okay, for now I'm going to look at the dossier. I want to show that anything with a star on it is a premium template. So our students wouldn't be able to use these, but they can definitely create from blank or choose one of the free templates. So for now I'll go ahead and choose this one. That's going to give me a preview of all of the different slides that it's going to give me in my template. Sometimes the templates allow our students to help communicate their ideas by giving them different options. So I can see here under Pages, these are all of the different slides that came in with the template, but I'm probably not going to need all these, so that I can delete any of the ones that would not pertain to my presentation. Anything that they want to edit, you simply click on that slide. They can go and edit what's already here or get rid of anything that they do not want and add different media. So if I click on media, I can search for images or upload from my computer. You can also add video or audio. You can add different text boxes and even change the background. So there's a lot of different options. I will show this icon right here means it's a movable background. And this one means it's premium. So I wouldn't be able to use this one, but I could add something like this. Really good learning. It's really good to learn. You don't want things to be too busy. So maybe with a movable background, I would want more static and less busy text. Because I could make text interactive as well by clicking on this option and then choosing the animation or the effect that I wanted to add to the text. Okay, and then you can see up here at the top, I can change the color. So I might want to make this stand out a little bit. I can change the font and the size. So this just kind of gives an overview of what it would be like. When you're finished, you would click on Preview to make sure everything looks how you want it to. And then, of course, we'll give this a good title. Okay. And you can see I added that fade in here. It's a really just visually appealing way for students to explain their learning and share their learning. When it comes time to share the project, you're going to go ahead and click on Share here and then share with a shareable link. So I would copy this link to send to others. The download option is only free on the premium plan, but a shareable link is going to be a great way to share that presentation. And note, to go back to my home page, I'm going to click on the G right here. And then when I can save these in folders if I have a bunch of them, but when I go to create, I can look at all of my different options. So these are worth exploring. Even interactive image, this one's kind of neat. I can look at some of these examples, but you can take one key image and then add hyperlinks or pictures or text over the image. So making an image interactive. A lot of different ideas and ways to involve your students.